Welcome to another Kali Tutors tutorial session. In this tutorial session, we are continuing with BNU 1501 assignment number 1. We hope you've already watched the first video where we discussed question number 20. And if you've already watched that video, you'll understand what we mean by the Desart's multiplication law, okay? We are going to use that law to simplify this problem in order to get to the correct solution, okay? Without wasting any more of your time, let us look at the problem, okay? The question reads as follows. Simplify the following expression, the cube root of 64 multiplied by 12 to the power, by x to the power 12 multiplied by y to the power 9, okay? So according to this multiplication law, Desart's multiplication law, we can simplify this, okay? We can convert this to the cube root of 64 multiplied by the cube root of x to the power, let me change this, okay, of x to the power 12. This is all inside the cube root multiplied by the cube root of y to the power 9. Okay, so if you're not sure where this is coming from, this is coming from here. This one is coming from this one here, and the last one is coming from this one here. We're just simplifying this in order to make our calculations simpler. Okay, so if you've got a calculator, you can determine the cube root of 64. This is basically, take your calculator, try it, okay. The cube root of 64 is simply 4, okay. So this one will give us, from here, we are going to get, okay, let me change the color. We are going to get 4, okay. From here, we are going to use the root definition, okay. This one here will give us, let me type it again. So this is x to the power 12. According to the root definition, this is the same as x to the power 12 divided by 3, okay. This 12 is coming from here, and this 3 is coming from here, okay. So this gives us x to the power 12 divided by 3, it's 4, right? Gives us x to the power 4. And the last one, let's take this one and write it just underneath this one here. So we're gonna have the cube root of y to the power 9. And then this one will give us y to the power 9 divided by 3. This 3 comes from here, and then this 9 comes from here. So we're basically using the root definition here. And then if you divide these two, you'll get 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then that one will give us y to the power 3, okay? So we know that this becomes 4, this becomes x to the power 4, this becomes y to the power 3. So that means we have these 4 here. You have got, you've got 4. Let me clean this, okay. You've got, let me change the color. Let's make it green. This is our answer. You have 4 multiplied by x to the power 4 multiplied by y to the power 3, okay. So this one is coming from here, this one is coming from here, and this one is coming from here, okay. So your answer, if it's like this, you don't really have to include the multiplication sign, okay. We know that if you've got xy, that means x times y, okay. So you have 4x to the power 4 or multiplied by y to the power 3, okay. So if you look at the options provided there, this is supposed to be option number 3. Okay, so your answer is option number 3. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please watch the next tutorial session where we'll be discussing question number 18.